Well, good thing it's not nighttime.
Yep. We are not riding this at night.
I'm not.
I might. Even when you see it, you won't believe it. You been in the front, Kobe?
Not on this ride yet.
You rode in the back, right?
Yes.
Okay, the back is better, but the front is just as aggressive.
The back was like bumpy. Like the first drop was crazy, and then it got bumpy, and I was like, oh shit. It was a backbreaker. Looks kind of cool.
It is. Well, I haven't been there, but I'd like to try it out next time I come here.
It looks pretty fun, especially if it's a day like this. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, back brake! Ready? Yeah. Now the real fun! Oh my god! Backbreaker! Yeah. Holy shit! Oh, I feel every wheel! I feel every wheel, Mike! Oh! Oh my nuts! Oh, here we go, big air time! Here we go, the Doritos! Big air time! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! My legs. I love it. The Dorito hills are so delicious. It hurt. Those lap bars are not as comfortable as El Toro's.
Well, of course they're not. They're just rebar.
Oh, I know.
Just rebar and padding.
Not much padding though. Oh, there's a train down there.
Yeah, that was I think it's the secret seat. It's a top tier ride, but